Korean fried chicken. A spoonful of salt, sea salt, Ajinomoto, garlic or garlic powder, white pepper, black pepper, 2 tablespoons chili powder, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, water. Chicken wings absorb water, add vinegar and refrigerate for marinating. Onion powder, minced garlic, apple powder, Korean style spicy sauce, ketchup, honey, a glass of water. Remove the debris and heat it up. Thick and viscous foam, turn off the heat. Low gluten flour, cornstarch, 2%. A spoonful of salt, white pepper. Stir evenly. Chicken wings wrapped in flour. Shake off excess flour. Oil heat 170°C. Add chicken wings. Flip over after 1分钟 yolk of shaping. Explosion for 8分钟 yolks and 30 seconds, flipping in the middle. Drizzle sauce on top. Wrap evenly. Sprinkle black sesame seeds.